We always plan to create the motorbike in the cruiser segment because this is something we just don't have anything, you know. And there is lots of people who want to have this, and I think the romance for these emotional things, for these mechanic sculptures is getting bigger and bigger. And this is what we want to achieve here.
More and more people looking at motorcycling being really relaxation, getting offline and not being trapped in the digital world. And I think that is a perfect answer. So you can enjoy motorcycling.
And now it fills me really with great pride and pleasure to present you a very special concept bike. So ladies and gentlemen, please clear the stage for the BMW Motorrad concept R18.
What is really special about the concept R18 is that it's really combining the traditional classic idea about the BMW Motorrad product, and it's taking that into the modern times by putting elements into it that come from the customizing side. So it's really the essence of BMW Motorrad in a very authentic way.
I feel very honored to be part of the jury for the Concorso di Motocicletti, so that is a very different view on the Lake Como and the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este.
In this segment, the size of the engine is really important because the engine is king. It's an 1800cc, biggest BMW boxer. The most emotional moment for us was when we mounted the exhaust, because in that moment we really saw everything coming together, and especially the chrome swoop from back to front, it really showed off the design.
I can already give you a little bit of a hint right now that the lines that you see here in the concept R18, most of them will be taken over into the serial production bike. And for that reason, everyone can already be very excited about the serial production bike when it hits the market late 2020.
What is the inspiration for this car, this bike?
The inspiration is to enter the heritage segment and the cruiser segment with a pure and authentic BMW.
It looks the part, you look the part. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Fram.
Thank
See
you
you
very
tomorrow
much.
morning.